Nel, magkano po ba ang initial payment sa Kaiser para makapagsimula? Madali lang yan. Depende ang initial payment sa mode of payment na pipiliin mo plus the 500 policy fee for the first year. Example, nag-monthly ka. Babayaran mo yung 1 month premium plus yung 500 pesos policy fee. Nag-quarterly ka. Babayaran mo yung 1 quarter premium plus 500 pesos policy fee for the first year. Semi-annual. Yung semi-annual na premium plus 500 pesos policy fee for the first year. Kapag annual naman, yung annual premium plus 500 pesos policy fee for the first year. Ganun kasimple. Premium for the period plus 500 pesos policy fee. Pero kapag spot cash ka, iba ang computation. You will pay the full spot cash premium plus the policy fee for all 7 years. So that's 3,500 pesos total policy fee. Mas malaki ang initial payment sa spot cash kasi nga babayaran mo na yung buong 7 years. Pero ang kagandahan dito, mas malaki rin ang discount at